welcome to the Disney Stranger channel. I'm T Stranger.
And I'm Diz D.
And today we're going to be unboxing Minnie Ears from the Bit of Magic company.
But these ears are a little different than others. They have interchangeable bows, so you can change out the bows but keep the headbands.
And that's what we're going to be doing today.
Let's get to it!
So here is the box with our Minnie Ears. Let's open it.
So first, we're going to open up the letter. Thank you so much for coming back to our shop and ordering from us. We hope you love your new pair of ears and bows. Danny and Karen, Bit of Magic Company. So last summer, I wanted to buy Tinkerbell Minnie Ears, and I came across these from the Bit of Magic Company. And I saw that they were interchangeable. And then I was like, ooh, that's pretty cool. And I can buy different bows, so that means each new pairs. And the bows were like $3 to $5. So a bigger bang for my buck. T wanted to buy a headband for her own.
And more bow options.
So let's see what bows we got.
So our first bow is the Incredibles.
This will go great with my Loungefly purse that I just got at Christmas.
Yes. So let's open it up and see.
See? So let's do the next bow. So we have these Minnie Mouse bow. Says Minnie Mouse all over it with the logo and bow. So let me put it on. So now let's go to the next bow.
We have this confetti one. And then on the other side is a different color with a bunch of polka dots.
This would be perfect for our birthdays and celebrations.
Yes.
So this is the confetti bow.
Looks great.
Now here is the bell bow. It's silky yellow with a red flower. So let me open it. So let me try it on. So this is the bell one.
I like that one.
I think it's my favorite. So T, open up your headband.
Whoa!
It didn't come with a mini bow. It came with Anna and Elsa. That's so cool.
Whoa. It has Anna, Elsa, Sven, Olaf, and Kristoff.
That's really cool.
Yeah.
Try it on.
Yours came with the red one with white polka dots.
Yes, mine came with that one. See? That's cool.
So that was my Bit of Magic unboxing. I hope you liked it.
Thank you, Danny and Karen, for the ears and bows. They were wonderful. I just love them.
The Bit of Magic company creates these headbands.
To find more information about this product, you can head over to their Bit of Magic company Facebook page and head over to their Etsy website to find more products such as their headbands, different bows, masks, scrunchies, and many other products. And I'll link all of that down below.
And guys, don't forget to walk forward.
Thanks for watching, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please click the like button below. Your comments are welcome. Don't forget to click like and subscribe to the Disney Stranger channel. And walk forward.